G'day folks, just a little bit of an update about something that we've been pushing for in Tradify for a very long time, which has finally been released for us, which is awesome. And that is the Tradify has now added the ability to have up to 1,000 characters in your price list items. So if I search for one of these items that we've got in here now, let's use one of these. So, no, it's not a good example. Let's use this one. So now, well, previously we just had one line of text up here in the description on the price list items, and we were limited to 225 characters. So it was a bit of a punish if you wanted to have longer descriptions on your items, like we've got here. And just recently, they also edited the way that the description is shown in the price list item. So we can now see multiple lines and we can see how it's formatted when we've got spaces or returns in the line, and we can actually make it look half decent. So this one's actually come in from zero. So this was an item that was created in zero and then synchronized into Tradify. But it works the same now. If I create a new price list item, I can give it a code, testing item, and then we can put a description about what it is, and we can add extra lines and see what's going on. There we go. So you can have up to 1,000 characters in there now, which is awesome if you want to put a long description about a service that you provide or whatever it might be, and then that will translate into your quotes and your invoices. So hooray, thank you for listening to us, Tradify, and getting this sorted out, because it's going to make a big difference to clients of ours that do things like flat rate pricing or want to have a longer description on your items to show on quotes and invoices. So awesome work. It took a while, but glad it's finally in there. If you need a hand with making this work or updating your price list or anything like that, feel free to reach out to us. We're here to help.